Ang tanong ng marami ngayon, invest now or invest later sa Tansa, Cavite? Worth it ba ang bumili habang pre-selling pa o mas okay hintayin muna? Today, sasagutin natin yan. Tansa is booming. Infrastructure is rising, roads are expanding, and developers are moving fast. Property prices are still affordable for now, pero pataas na ng pataas ang demand. Kung naghahanap ka ng murang lupa or bahay ngayon, Tansa is still one of the few na pasok sa budget, but the question is, hanggang kailan? Let's break it down. Invest now. Mas mababa pa ang presyo, especially sa pre-selling, may time ka rin mag-ipon habang tinatayo ang unit. Invest later. Makikita mo na agad yung final product, pero expect mo na mas mataas na ang price. Isa sa magandang example ng smart pre-selling investment ngayon sa Tansa ay ang Sevilla Parkway. Located in Barangay Santol, this pre-selling subdivision offers modern homes, wide roads, community parks, and access to nearby malls and schools. Since pre-selling pa, mas mura pa ang units ngayon, and you have flexible payment terms habang ginagawa pa yung bahay. At kung tatanungin mo ko, now is the smarter move lalo na kung pre-selling like sa Sevilla Parkway ang tinitingnan mo. Comment down below if gusto mong malaman ang full details about Sevilla Parkway.